Hi, I'm Chris Curran with TMB, and I'm here today to show you the Solaris LED Flare. The Solaris LED Flare was conceptually designed to be a wash, an audience blinder, and primarily a kick-ass strobe. What you have is 1,000 watts of Cree LEDs. The flare primarily is two fixtures in one. We have the strobe itself. With the strobe, we have an RGBW scroller or wash behind it. So primarily when you're patching, it's an RGBW fixture, then a 4-channel atomic. Then we have up to 12 groups of 8 RGBW pixelated effects. So the depth that you can get out of the fixture is quite intense. For example, if you're programming and you're doing a conventional red-blue kind of wash, without losing the red-blue wash, you can then strobe the white over the top. The white LED is 57,000 Kelvin in color temperature. A couple of unique things about the flare. Each RGBW chip is rotated 90 degrees. Each reflector is rotated another 90 degrees, offset. So what that gives you is a perfectly mixed color straight out of the fixture. The flare is one of the only fixtures that can do a full throttle effect when it's running at its most profiles. So I'm going to run through a couple of the profiles right now. We have the strobe. In full white. We have the pixelated effects. And then as you see, as it comes up, that we're able to do color fades and then strobe colors over the top, which makes it a very unique fixture because we can do this. Some of the unique things about the flare, the LEDs are actually recessed behind the reflectors and offset by 5 millimeters. So viewing angle from side of stage is very unique because you can't see the light, but the light's like bang right in there. One of the other nice things is that the front boards are separated from the power supplies, so we don't have cooling issues. The power supplies sit right at the back of the units, and the airflow is able to come from left to right through the fixture. We use a color display in the fixture. Now the display can be rotated by one push of a button, but if you need to actually access things like DMX or address and all the other bits and pieces, then hold the menu down for 2 seconds. I'm going to run through a couple more bits and pieces on the flare for you. You'll see some of the throttling effects. Now, by able to do 8 channels of pixel control, we can get very dynamic effects out of one fixture. I'm just going to run through some of them. A lot of the way people are programming the flare right now is in groups of 2, just to say the DMX channels. At maximum DMX channels, it's 56. And you'll see you can get a lot out of it, so it's more than just one fixture. Well, there you have it. I'm Chris Curran with TMB. This is the Solaris Flare, and we thank you for your time.